Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So we have successfully completed the addition and all those things. So now one thing is remaining in our schema.prisma. Just if you want to check it, just I want to close it by this. So we have a field called as an is open to work. By default it is false. So that means when a candidate is uploading his profile, so he needs to upgrade is open to work or something like that. By default it will be a false. For some reasons the candidate has already uploaded his profile and he wants to toggle this one. So how we can toggle this? So let's try to see this one. Now let's go to our thing. Let's say here. So we can write async toggle open to work. Okay, I am writing it like this, and we will get all the request response and all those things. And here I will close this one, and this one will be toggle open to work. And here I will try to go to our service.ts file, and here I will write async update open to work. And for this one, what we will get in this one, we will get something like id, which is of type number, and also we will get the request body, or otherwise let's say that open to work, which is a boolean. Now first let's check that whether the candidate is existing or not, whether this dot get candidate by id, and I will pass this id. So we'll check it, and afterwards so we will update prisma dot candidate profile dot update, and here I will do where id, and also I will try to data I will pass it, and that is nothing but is underscore open to work as open to work. So I have updated this one. Now let's go into our controller.ts file, and here I can write await candidate profile service dot update open to work with plus request dot params dot id, and what I can do, so for that one, and another one what I could do is plus request, so here I can take constant open to work is equal to request dot body dot open to work, let's say. So I'll pass this one. So let's try to pass this. Yeah, so now we are passing this one, and I will pass so candidate open to work updated successfully. And now for this toggle, what we need to do, we need to go to the candidate profile, and here what we can do, here I can use the patch request, same thing, and here I will write open to work slash id, and we need to verify the user, and let's try to remove these two things, verify the user. I will try to show you one by one. Profile candidate profile controller update. Okay, then let's try to see this one whether we can able to update it or not. So now here I can go with the new request here, or otherwise we can do this duplicate. Okay, so open to work, and here candidate profile slash one patchwork and body, so we should not use this one all. So we need to go to something like open to work, actually I need to give open to work as true. That's it. So now if I try to update, and here I need to write open to work slash one, that's it. Now let's try to save this one. So here if I try to send update, so here you should be able to get please log in again. Okay, let's go into here, and I will try to log in. So if I try to update, and here also I will try to check the permission also. So we need to check the permission, check permission candidate profile, and we need to check this one also. So whoever is owner, then he only can able to update it. And verify schema, we will try to do it next. After this one, we will try to do it. And what I will be trying to do it, this one is, so here let's go into this one. Let's go to the open to work, and here if I try to click on this one, cannot read properties of null user defined user ID. So it is telling that user ID it is cannot able to return. So let's try to sign in again. Okay, and we'll try to get the details. So what is the user ID I'm having? 2 user ID, get all details, and let's try to see. You don't have a permission, get all. Okay. So let's try to single candidate, let's try to get 3. You don't have a permission, it is saying 4 I think. So you don't have that one also. 6 I think. So 6 is the detail which we are having. We have updated it, right? So many things we have updated it. So now we are having 6. So let's try to open to work, and this one we need to pass the 6 ID. Okay, so let's try to click on this one. So now it is showing candidate profile detail updated successfully. So let's try to go here, and let's go to the profile controller, profile service, profile controller, and toggle open to work. Okay, my mistake, that one. So let's go to the route, and here I need to call this method, not that method. Okay, let's go into our code again. So open to work is there, so it will be as it is only. So if I try to click on this one, let's try to click on this one again. See, candidate open to work updated successfully. If I try to get a single candidate here, so it should be something like it is true now, is open to work is true. Now let's go to the update status, not update status, this one. So this one is done. So what I would be trying to do it is, so let's try to add a schema for this one. So for this one, what we can do it is, here I can go to the schema, export constant candidate open to work schema, okay, is equal to JOI dot object of, so we will be having something like open to work, this one, right? And this one should be JOI dot string, dot boolean, we need to use boolean dot required. Okay, that's it. So now let's try to use this one in our route also. So if you try to check it here, verify schema, so we can use it for this one, verify schema of candidate open to work schema. I have added it. So now let's try to check the schema whether it is working fine or not. So let's try to click on this one. So here if I try to click on this one again I will click on this one. Yeah, candidate open to work updated successfully. Now what I would be trying to do, I will try to give something, and if I click here, see, validation error, open to work is required, and also DS is not allowed. So here we are able to see that open to work is required and DS something is not allowed. So here if I try to write open to work is something like false. Let's see. So we are getting validation error that DS is not allowed, so we should not send this DS. So that's it guys about this one. So now we have successfully made this one. So if I remove these things and if I try to click on this one, so now candidate open to work profile updated successfully. So now we have successfully updated, the toggling of this one is also completed. Hope you understood about this one. So if I try to give a schema which doesn't exist, let's say cannot, okay, this one is not having, so 1, let's try to see it. So this one is also we are not having. 2, let's try to see it. Okay, 3, we'll try to see it. See, you don't have permission to access. We are able to see that you don't have permission to access. So all the type of security thing and all those things are also completed. So we have successfully updated the open to work also. Hope you understood about this one. I will commit this code in the GitHub. So the GitHub repository URL is provided in the description below. So if you want to refer this code means you can clone that and you can check that code. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.